Hello. The normal map. So here's a normal map on the sphere and how to erase parts. So first I'm cloning this one, and now I put the the normal map as a background. Here, and I'm using the paint tool, and now I pick the color of the normal map. So now I'm painting here the parts I don't want with a normal map. And now, I bake here now the color from itself. So I get now a color map, so I don't, here I don't need the normal map. So here I get now a color map with this two eyes here. And now I put this map on the normal map. This is this one here. And this one I don't need anymore. So you see here the two eyes. And then I use the cell mask. So, and I'm masking here a little bit inside, so like this. And now I invert. So now only the two parts are without a mask. So now I go back to my first sphere here, and I bake now the normal map from high res. And now the normal map is fixed. Yeah, maybe there's a other way, I don't know, but this way it works. Okay, ciao.